What's going on, growers? James Prigioni coming to you live from Jersey. Right now, the gardens are producing more food than me and Tuck can even keep up with. So today, I want to bring you along for a harvest and let the gardens do the talking. Let's go! Right here are some of the first ripe tomatoes of the season. The start of a great thing. Fresh Jersey tomatoes. This is just the beginning.
Look at all those fancy clothes, but these could keep us warm just like those. And what about your soul? Is it cold? Is it straight from the mold and ready to be sold? And cars and phones and diamond rings, bling bling, those are only removable things. What about your mind? Does it shine? Or are there things that concern you more than your time? Gone, going, gone, everything gone, give a damn. Gone be the birds if they don't wanna sing. Gone people, all awkward with their things gone. Get you out to make a deal. You try to be appealing, but you lose your appeal. And what about those shoes you're in today? They'll do no good on the bridges you burnt along the way. Oh, you willing to sell anything? Gone with your herd. Leave your footprints and we'll shame them with our words. Gone people, all careless and consumed, gone, gone, going, gone, everything gone, give a damn. Gone be the birds if they don't wanna sing. Gone people, all awkward with their things gone. then be safe.
No turning back, I'm just a mile away from home.
Sit here waiting, let me be patient. Sometimes it's hard to ease my mind to realize
You're always with me, waiting, willing
to hear my prayers, my hopes, my dreams, my every need.
I pray for light in times of darkness. What's meant to be will always be, though I control my destiny.
Free will you gave me, though you made me.
Be careful of the things you do, it eventually comes back to you.
Universal law, Babylon shall fall. Sometimes it's hard to ease my mind to realize
You're always with me, waiting, willing
to hear my prayers, my hopes, my dreams, my every need.
I pray for wisdom and understanding. Destruction of civilizations past is consequence of forest fire.
Air we breathe, a gift from the trees.
What goes up must come back down, what goes around comes back around.
Things you do be done unto you. Sometimes it's hard to ease my mind to realize
You're always with me, waiting, willing
to hear my prayers, my hopes, my dreams, my
every need. I pray for peace in times of war. Universal law, Babylon shall fall. The things you do shall be done unto you.
That's today's video, growers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. And me and Tuck love making these videos just to encourage all of you that anybody can be doing this. We're not doing anything special. If you don't have a lot of space, do it on a patio. If you do have a lot of space, do it on acres. It's so much fun, and the whole thing is a super enjoyable process. We also feel really thankful because a lot of this stuff that we're harvesting, we end up just giving it away to people. And some of that is because me and Tuck, we're gardeners, we're growers. Well, I'm a grower, I'm a gardener. He's head of security. So we like sticking to what we do. I love growing stuff, but I don't like cooking really, and I don't like preserving all the stuff. I love to be out there and to eat it fresh off the plant. If you guys enjoyed this video though, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends. Don't forget to check out the merch down low. And also, whenever you're on Amazon, use our Amazon affiliate link to start your shopping. We're also on Instagram too, check us out on there, and Twitter, and even TikTok. Tuck and James will be back to you real soon. We